Coffee cookies recipe from the Culinary Corner. For this you will need 1.5 teaspoonfuls of instant coffee dissolved in 1 tablespoon of milk, 100 grams of sugar, 150 grams of self-rising flour, 1 egg and 50 grams of butter. If you don't drink coffee, then you can always add a couple of teaspoons of ginger powder into the flour or whatever flavour takes your fancy. First, cream the butter and sugar for about a minute. When it's all nice and soft, add the egg. Tough egg. And mix again. Now add the flour. And the dissolved coffee. And mix on a low speed, or the lowest that I can get with this hand mixer anyway. Remember to scrape down the sides. And using a cookie scoop, put them on a baking tray. Flatten them down slightly with the back of a spoon. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. There, yum! This is the best biscuit recipe. Yes, very nice. Coffee cookies recipe. First, cream the butter and the sugar. And now for the blooper taste test. Let's see which is the correct one most. This one. They're soft, almost like a scone. Not much ginger taste either. Fail.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting